Good day, my loving students of India and abroad. Another digital video. In this video, we will discuss about the changes of syllabus made by the CBSE officials for the students of 9, 10, 11, 12 of CBSE curriculum. Today, in this video, we'll discuss about Standard 9. CBSE officials spoke to a few senior teachers in a webinar to share the plan for the new academic session, that is 2020-21. Because of the disruption created due to the coronavirus pandemic, where they shared that CBSE is working on a reduced syllabus for the academic year along with the NCERT officials. Officials said that most activities might be removed from this year's 2020-21 syllabus to ensure that the minimum or maximum time can be received for academic classes. The officials asked teachers to be more compassionate and ensure that the students don't get bored at home or go into depression. Teachers have been asked to give out meaningful and creative activities to kids at home so kids can remain productive and engaged. Now, what is the new syllabus of 2020-21? New CBSE syllabus for 2021. Check out all the changes. For Standard 9 in this video, English, Language and Literature. You have three sections. Section A, Reading section. Section B, Writing section. And Section C, Literature. Now Section A, what is the change? There is no change marks wise, but MCQs included in both the passages. There are two passages that you get, and both the passages will have now MCQ questions only. Section B, Writing section. Earlier, question number 3. Earlier, it is of 8 marks. Now, the changes, question number 3 will be of 10 marks. Question number 5 was gap filling earlier. Question number 5 now will be close passage, gap filling and addition. Okay. Now question number 6 in this section B. Formerly it was editing, 4 marks. Now it will be dialogue writing, reporting dialogue on given cues, and it will be of 6 marks. Question number 7, sentence formation. Earlier. Now, question number 7, it has been deleted. Now, section C, literature part. Earlier, question number 8, you had 1 out of 2 extracts you had to answer with 4 objective questions. 1 into 4, that is 4 marks. Now, you will have question number 8, 1 out of 2 extracts with 2 SAQs, short questions, that is 2 into 2, 4 marks. Okay, these are the changes for class 9 standard of CBSE students. Previously, there were 11 questions in the total, but now there are only 10 questions that will be asked in the question papers. These are the changes. Know the changes, loving students, from the beginning of the session 2021, so that psychologically you remain prepared about the examination, changed pattern and the syllabus. All the best. In forthcoming videos, we will carry on with class 10, 11 and 12 question paper changes or syllabus changes recently made by the CBSE for the special purpose of the students. Thank you very much. Await for the next videos. Keep a watch.